Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 1st of February 2023. Let's talk about AMD since they have released their earnings. I'm going to give you all the price prediction now as to what I think the market's going to do. Zooming in on the chart real quick, though, you guys can see already that I got a price prediction on my chart in AMD. Market has exceeded my ultimate TP price, which is fantastic. On the close of yesterday's trading day, you guys can see if we were to get out the market then, that's 17.5%. Pre-market already, take a look, $78.07 currently, which is around 22% price move there. Now, that's done. That is over. Congratulations to those who are in position to capitalize off of this move at AMD. But now we need to talk about what's going to happen in the future, or at least try to predict it, okay? So, take a look. We're going to zoom out the price chart in AMD. And first of all, the market has actually told us a couple of things when you look at these two lines. For one, price has maintained the long-term trend, which is good. And then two, price also held support there around 60. Those two areas is massively important for the long term in AMD. Now, we need to figure out how high price is going to go, okay? Because obviously this is a bullish market in AMD. And take a look at this, because back here in 2020, 2021, okay, I'm going to show you all a couple of things that lets us know how strong the market is in AMD, especially since it reported earnings. This was seen as support back in that time, 2020 and 2021. Like, the market neglected letting price fall below $74. Okay. Now, let me extend this line over to the right. And you guys can now tell that price, if it, especially on the close of today, if it closes at around $78 like the pre-market currently is revealing, then that will have to be the new basis of support right here. Okay, around 73. Now, I would say around 73. I might bring it down just a little tad lower. Okay, so let me go ahead and clean some of these lines up. Don't want to hold that there. We'll see this one now as support. Okay, so as long as AMD's price holds like $72, $70, we're going to anticipate that the market's going to consolidate at best, but that the probable price movement is higher to the upside. Okay, so let's look at this on the month. Since we started out on a new month in AMD, so let me zoom in on the chart. And this market has been real antsy to not let the market break the trend line. Okay, so look at this, 4 months, we've seen price in AMD hover above our trend. Fantastic. Like I said, it tells us how bullish the market is, or at least how willing the buyers of the market in AMD is willing to buy the stock there. And we also saw the market prior to January. Look at December's month. The market in AMD went down, but then in January, price came right back up. Amazing. Now, look at this on the monthly chart. We may actually just see the market top out around $80. That's why it's very important for us to see price movement and get into play way before the market moves. So I'm looking at $80, maybe even 83. So I would say maybe around $83 as an initial price target for AMD. Okay, because currently the market is revealing that it is bullish, that it is stronger, that it is currently giving us weakness on these longer time frames. Yeah, so I'm going to do $80 as my first price target. So that might even be hit today. Okay, so let's do it. Put it back on the daily. So $80 would be 6.5% from the close of yesterday. So I'm not going to do that. seeing that the market's already hitting $77.50, 59 cents. So my first price target is going to be a little bit higher. So I'm going to do $85 first. Okay. Even though I do recognize that 80 could hold back price, 85 is going to be first. My second one's going to be up until like 88.50, which is another 17% move. Okay, so let me go back. Yes, I do recognize that price could sell off around 80. Okay, so that would be a price target. Matter of fact, it needs to be a price target because that could be the starting point to where sellers could come into the market in AMD and push price down. Also, my next price target is going to be 85. Okay, that's going to be my second price level that I'm looking for market to run in AMD, and then my third one's going to be around 88.50 to like 90. Okay, so definitely I want to see market hold this support line, which is around $72.25, but I'm going to give us cushion to allow the market to play out, which is around like 66.50. Well, I'll just do 64 as support, meaning that even if the market in AMD begins to sell off, as long as price holds, trades above $64, the probability is still there, albeit it is lessening. That is going to continue to trend higher, but that's the amount of room that I'm allowing this prediction to play out. Okay, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know, how do you think the market in AMD is going to trade over the next month, starting out the month of February, possibly going into March? Do you think the movement is still to the upside? Because from what we're seeing on the charts, even on the monthly, weekly time frames, we're not noticing anything different in terms of weakness. So the moment that we do see weakness will be the moment that we need to come and just reevaluate the situation. Like, I don't think people realize that you need to be agile in your thinking as to once more information is created on price charts. See, right now, we're not seeing any indications of massive weakness entering the market in AMD. So let's say in the next week or so, we begin to see weakness in selling. Well, obviously we need to come in and reevaluate and review what's going on and then change the prediction. That's how this game is meant to be played. That's how it's meant to work. You don't have to be concrete and stagnant in your thinking. As you get more information, you feed into the machine, and if it pops out a different idea, then that's what you roll with. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts though. Everyone, make sure you maintain profitability. And if you guys appreciate the videos and the content, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, join the community, because we've been doing this for a long time, showing you all that it's doable, that you can also do this for yourself. And I really want you all to learn how to do this on your own, so you have to be dependent on me or anybody else in their opinions. Always look at the money and nothing else.